Good morning, student. This is our computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 10, that is tables and forms in HTML. Table arrange data in rows and columns and provide an attractive way to represent information. Means in the tables we arrange the data in the row and column form, and it provides a data and represent the data in an attractive way. Tables are created to present information or data in a comprehensive manner, make comparative analysis of data, display information that is easier to read and quicker to evaluate. First of all, create a table. How you can create a table? To create a table in HTML, table tag is used. Each table begins with a table tag and ends with a closing table tag. You can define various attributes of data in the table tag. A table displays data in a tabular format on the screen, that is in a row and column. Each row in a table begins with the tr table row tag and optionally ends with the closing tr table. Rows must be inside the table tag. The column contains cells, each of which begins with the td tag, table data tag, and ends with the closing td tag. Td tag must always be present inside the row tag tr. To specify a column heading, we use the th tag. Head also end with th tag. It makes the text bold. We can also include a caption tag inside the table tag to specify the caption of the table. Let us create a table to display the serial number, name, and grade of students and understand the use of these tags. Now, attributes of the table tag. The table tag has many attributes which help in defining different formatting parameters of a table, like a width, the entire table, width of the entire table, alignment, cell border, etc. Let's learn about a few of them. First of all is the border. It is attribute draw a border around the table. It specifies the width of the border of a table. If the border attribute is not specified with the table or its value is 0, then no border will be displayed around the table. The larger the value, the thicker with be the border. Example, table border is 3. Then here is the number 3 is the border size in the pixels. Now the border color. The border color attribute is used to set the color of the table's border. For example, table border 3, border color blue. Mean the table border is 3 and the border color is hash capital F small f and 40. So student, that is the border color. Now the BG color. The BG color attributes can be used to set the background color of different parts of a table. You can change the background color of an entire table, a single row, or individual cell depending on where you specify the attribute. For example, table border 3 BG color white. They change the background color to the entire table. Now TG color TRBG color red, then changes the background color of the entire table. Now TDBG color yellow changes the background color of all the cell of a cell, and THBG color blue change the background color of a heading cell. Now the align. How to align? The align attribute is used to specify the alignment of the table on the page. By default, a table is left aligned. The alignment can be set to left, center, or right. Example, table border 3, border color blue, background white, align center. Then it will be in the center. Now the cell padding. This attribute sets the margin within a cell. It sets the amount of space in between the cell border and the cell data. The value of the attribute is indicated in the pixels. For example, table border 3 background border color is blue, BG color white, align center, and cell padding is 10. Now the cell spacing. What's the space in the cell? This attribute is used to set the minimum distance between the two adjacent cell. Cell spacing is also measured in the pixel. For example, table border 3, table border color blue, BG color white, align center, and cell spacing 10. Now height and width. By default, the size of the table is as large as the data. There is entire entered it. You can change the overall height and width of the table to get the desired size. You can specify the height or width and either by specifying the size in absolute pixel or by specifying a relative percentage of the screen size. Example, table border 1, background color white, height is equal to 300 and width is equal to 400. It is also possible to control the dimension of the individual table, cell or rows. TG color 80, TR width 50%. Now the attributes of the TR, TD and the TH tags. First of all, the border color and the BG color. As discussed above, you can set the border color and the background color of the cell of any specified row or column using border color and BG color. Attributes respectively of TR or TD tags. You can even get different colors of all the cells of a particular row, either by specifying the name of the different color or a hexadecimal value. In that case, the color attributes of TR tag would not show or any effects. Now the horizontal alignment. Align attribute control the text alignment within the cell either to the left, right or center. The default alignment of the content of table cell is left and vertically centered. If you want to change the alignment of cell, it has to be done individually for each cell. For example, TR align left, then alignment of the content to the left side of the cell, it is default, and TR align right, they align the content of to the right side of the cell. The TR align center, they align the content to the center of the cell. Similarly, you can change the alignment of the column by using the TD tag. So that's all from today's class, student. Hope you understand. If you have any problem regarding this, you can ask me. Thank you.